It'll be on its way here in 10 minutes. Please come join us at the stage as it takes off from Robinson Helicopter. will be beginning in 2 minutes. Please step forward towards the stage. We'll begin the show in 2 minutes when the aircraft lands from Robinson Helicopter in Torrance, California, here in Dallas. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the CEO and President of Robinson Helicopter, David Smith.
Good evening. Thank you guys so much for joining us for what we expect to be a historic evening here in Dallas, Texas. For both Robinson and Vertical Lift, this is a historic night. Tonight, Robinson will unveil its first new aircraft in nearly 2 decades. Before we draw back the curtain on this exciting new chapter, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the journey that we've undertaken this past year. It was just 1 year ago at Heli Expo in Anaheim that I had the honor of stepping into the role of President and CEO of Robinson Helicopter Company. Since that time, we've been engaged in a collective effort to strengthen our foundation, build a robust and dynamic leadership team, and broaden our product offerings. We set out to provide a vision for the future where Robinson Helicopter Company remains at the forefront of innovation and excellence for the next 50 years, just like we have for the last 50 years. Together, as a team, we've made significant investments in our products by doubling our engineering staff, investing heavily in new product improvements. Now, while we've made significant progress in upgrading processes and tools, we are not standing still. We have several more initiatives planned for 2025 to further enhance our factory and customer service capabilities. Growth takes a team and strong partners. In the last year, we've built several new partnerships. A few that I'd like to highlight tonight: our collaboration with United Therapeutics, Rotor Technologies, and Data Blanket, all of which are here with us tonight. Now, we have several yet to be announced partnerships, some in the crowd tonight, that will redefine the future of our industry, so please stay tuned. In April of 2024, we expanded our portfolio by acquiring our first company, bringing Ascent Aerosystems into the RHC family. We immediately commenced manufacturing their unique coaxial UAS in our facility in Torrance. If you have not seen the Ascent products before, please stop by the partner pavilion outside and also see them at Verticon to see the efficient, modular, all-weather, and US-manufactured unmanned aerial system. We've also started the hard work of modernizing and strengthening our dealer and service center network. It remains one of Robinson's strongest advantages. Thank you to all of our dealers and service centers who have come from every corner of the globe to be here with us tonight. Now, throughout all this growth and change this year, we've made a deliberate effort to tell the story of our customers through unique missions and marketing campaigns and storytelling. Many of you have had the opportunity to see the Climb Higher video series that we did earlier this year, which showcases the extraordinary and diverse missions undertaken by our operators and owners. These stories were never about the aircraft. They were always about individuals and organizations who rely on our helicopters to achieve their goals. From the rigorous flight training provided by Quantum Helicopters in Arizona, to the vital role that the rotorcraft play in feeding the world through riverine agricultural operations in the Food Bowl of Australia, to the critical public safety work carried out by Sheriff Grady Judd and his team in 3 R66 police helicopters providing overwatch in Polk County, Florida. These stories demonstrate how Robinson Helicopters empower our customers to accomplish their missions confidently, efficiently, and affordably. With nearly 14,000 helicopters delivered around the world, groups small and large have come to rely on our Robinson Helicopters to start up every day and get the mission done. In 2024, we formalized our commitment to the future with the creation of our first official company mission statement. By leading vertical lift innovation, we are advancing rotorcraft and broadening access to the skies. This statement encapsulates our driving purpose and our dedication to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in vertical lift. Robinson Helicopter Company is dedicated to elevating rotorcraft and empowering those who fly them in every conceivable situation. Our core values, dependability, accessibility, and self-reliance, remain at the heart of everything we do. It's also important that we lead the industry into the next generation of vertical flight. Over the last year, Robinson's taken on an increasing leadership role in maturing and certifying new forms of propulsion with partners like United Therapeutics. Mikhail Cardinal, VP of Organ Delivery Systems at Unither Bioelectronique, a division of United Therapeutics, is here with us tonight. Somewhere. Big crowd. There you go. Thank you, Mike. Thank you for your vision and partnership. Together, we will develop and certify the world's first hydrogen-powered vertical lift aircraft, enabling clean organ delivery for transplant patients. This mission is so inspiring and so important, as these organ delivery helicopters will carry the most precious cargo for our patients in need. Thank you again. We're proud to be your partners. Speaking of life-saving work, we have some additional friends and partners with us tonight that are also utilizing Robinson helicopters to support those in need. In the fall of 2024, Matt McSwain called for a few helicopters, there we go right there, called for a few helicopters to support his North Carolina neighbors in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. Dozens of privately owned helicopters showed up and supported initial aid efforts to areas that were unreachable by other forms of emergency support. The majority of those aircraft were Robinson helicopters. Out of that effort, Operation Hilo was born. Now, Operation Hilo had more than 400 confirmed saves and moved tons of supplies during the hurricane relief efforts. They delivered clothing, medicine, food, and water. But more importantly, they brought hope to the mountains of North Carolina, and they did it with helicopters. Matt's here with us tonight, right there. Can I get a round of applause for Matt and the team at Operation Hilo? Now, I know they could have used a bigger helicopter, so be prepared. Today, this need for emergency services is in the Carolinas, and it's in California, but in the future, it's going to be everywhere. Services are needed to help accident victims all around the world. We're committed to you and to the people and teams that require cost-effective solutions to get tough missions done. We're dedicated to leading the future of rotorcraft emergency services, and you'll see that tonight. The mission and commitment to innovation and excellence continues this evening as we embark on an exciting new chapter in the history of Robinson Helicopter Company. It's not just part of our core values. For decades, Robinson Helicopter has been synonymous with reliability, accessibility, and safety in the light helicopter market. We've empowered countless customers to take to the skies, opening up new possibilities and transforming industries. As we look to the future, we see a clear and compelling need. A need for more. A need for more capability, more capacity, and more reach. A need for larger helicopters, designed with the same core principles that have made Robinson a global leader. Today, I want to share with you a bold expansion of our product portfolio. a product designed to meet the diverse and evolving operating needs we see all over the globe. We recognize a unique opportunity to provide solutions where no other manufacturer can, by developing an accessible, highly capable aircraft that thoughtfully addresses those demands of pilots and maintainers all over the world. Our current Robinson helicopter models are the leaders in their respective classes. We know that tomorrow's missions demand greater capabilities in a robust and supportable package. This is a challenge that we are uniquely positioned to meet. Many of you have expressed a desire for a larger aircraft, one that maintains Robinson's hallmarks of affordability, ease of maintenance, and exceptional safety. You've told us that you need a helicopter that can carry more passengers, more cargo, and more specialized equipment. We understand that building a larger helicopter isn't just about scaling up our existing designs. It's about carefully considering the needs of diverse mission sets and developing a platform that delivers the right balance of performance, payload, range, and cost. It's also about maintaining our commitment to simplicity and ease of maintenance and ensuring that our new aircraft is as practical and reliable as the ones you've come to trust. Now imagine a future Robinson helicopter that can do it all. Imagine an aircraft capable of seamlessly transforming from an aerial firefighter battling wildfires to a life-saving air ambulance rushing critical patients to care, to a versatile utility workhorse maintaining essential infrastructure, and then with a simple reconfiguration becomes a comfortable platform offering breathtaking views for tourists. This isn't just a dream, it's our all-new Robinson R88. Let's see what the future will look like. Tonight, we present the future of Robinson Helicopter Company, the all-new Robinson R88. Pretty big, right? Yeah. Not only is this the largest, most capable aircraft that we've designed, but it also offers several new capabilities and features not available in the light helicopter market. So let's start with the exterior. The aircraft is built for utility. On standard skids, it has 2 feet of ground clearance for unimproved surface operations. The aircraft here has our high skid configuration for even better ground clearance. It gives us the ability to attach a firefighting water tank. Now you'll also notice 2 large sliding doors, one on each side to provide access for the passengers and cargo of all types. The rear of the aircraft has a fold-down truck bed style door for simplified cargo loading. Like that too, huh? Allows us to easily accommodate a HIM stretcher. While the aircraft only shares part of the vision for the R88, it'll continue to offer our high-performance tail rotor and our main rotor design using our unique two-bladed main rotor system, the most popular civil rotorcraft system rotor ever built. The highly configurable aircraft is meant for serious jobs. Now, the R88 offers a total seating capacity for up to 10 people. 2 crews seated in the front for the pilot and co-pilot or passenger, and a highly configurable cabin that seats up to 8. This aircraft will also provide capacity for missions that require heavy payloads, carrying up to 1,800 pounds with a full fuel tank, providing over 350 nautical miles of range. Additionally, easy to manage and arrange seating configurations on the Robinson's first flat cabin floor provides multiple forward-facing options and club seating configurations. Provides effective air medical and public safety mission configurations. We've also added new LED exterior lights, including pulse landing, taxi lights, tail rotor lighting, scene lighting, entry lights, all providing the highest levels of safety in the industry. Now let's take a look at the inside. For the first time, Robinson's offering dual cyclic controls. These controls are removable on both the left and the right-hand side, easily allowing PIC to be on either side of the aircraft. The R88 will be type certified for optional single-pilot IFR operations. Opens up a new realm of possible options and opportunities for our customers. Tonight, we're announcing that Garmin will supply the avionics for the new R88. Thanks. Thank you for our partnership. Yep. The avionics suite offers a maintenance and operator-friendly federated architecture to simplify support and reduce maintenance downtime. Large Garmin G500H TXI displays and GTN navigators with touchscreen controls provide easy operation, vivid display of information, and extensive capabilities. Now, for the first time, the G500H TXI will offer a crew alerting system, providing the pilot with intelligent information about the aircraft systems. The Garmin avionics suite will also include a 4-axis autopilot, standard. This system provides a full range of functions, including important safety features like level mode, hover assist, limit queuing, low speed and high speed protections, and low altitude protection. A standard data recording system with data link will automatically capture data and engine systems data, allowing for simplified operation and maintenance. A standard HUM system will monitor critical components and provide real-time track and balance data, allowing operators to address issues before they affect their operation. Additionally, the R88 will have dual hydraulics for pitch and roll. So if one system fails, the other can still operate and ensure the pilot has full command of the aircraft. The R88's hydraulic system will be built off of Robinson's proven systems, safe, simple, and reliable, and made in our factory in Torrance. This aircraft will also have many of the features and functions that make tough missions a bit safer and a bit more comfortable. While some of these features are optional on other aircraft in the class, we are making them standard on the R88. These standard features include an air conditioning system made by Robinson, an inlet barrier filter to protect the engine from dirt and debris, impact-resistant windshields certified to Part 29 transport category safety standards, and adjustable pilot seats and controls to accommodate a range of pilot sizes. Now tonight we'll also introduce Robinson Helicopter Company's newest engine partner, Safran Helicopter Engines. I'm pleased to announce that the new R88 will be powered by the Ariel 2W engine from Safran. Robinson Helicopter Company has selected the Ariel engine, Safran's bestseller, and the industry's benchmark for light helicopters. With more than 60 million flight hours, 66 million they told me tonight, the Ariel family has a proven track record of performance and durability, powering helicopters in demanding missions, including utility, air medical, and public safety applications all over the world. Tonight, I'm pleased to share that working together with Safran, the R88 will be the first in its class to include a 2,000-hour, 5-year Safran engine support package called Serenity. This package is included in the base price of the aircraft. It provides industry-leading engine support normally included in hourly support offerings. This guarantees operators immediate, comprehensive, and direct Safran support from day one, ensures predictable costs and engine availability to R88 owners. The Ariel 2 engine is a true workhorse in the light helicopter world. It's engineered for excellence, offering outstanding performance, durability, and reliability. I want to thank Cedric Goubet, somewhere in the crowd. Thank you, sir. Yep. CEO of Safran Helicopter Engines. His team of engineers, sales, and program leaders listened to our customers' needs exactly and gave us what we asked for. They developed and delivered an engine designed with a performance, reliability, support, and predictable operating costs that will give the R88 the lowest operating cost per pound of lift in the class. The R88 project started in 2020 under the leadership of our former Vice President of Engineering, Pete Riddell. I know many of you know Pete. Now, tragically, Pete passed away earlier this year, and we still feel the loss tonight. We miss his presence and his leadership every day. Despite the tragic loss of Pete, it's important for the world to know that the R88 is the embodiment of all of the engineering principles and behaviors that Pete put into all Robinson helicopters. Many of our R88 engineers are with us tonight, and I know that they join me in the sentiment that we'll feel Pete's impacts on the R88 and RHC forever. Now, the R88 will be an all-new type certificate, a process built on meticulous engineering and rigorous testing of every aspect of the aircraft. Robinson has the experience and the capability to successfully complete the type certification process quickly with follow-on validations around the world. Just like our current law enforcement and utility aircraft, the R88 will be offered with a wide range of OEM-provided, type-certified mission equipment. Some of those equipment options that we have planned for this aircraft include an optional 3,000-pound HEC-rated cargo hook, an optional utility basket as shown on the aircraft on the far side, for those of you on this side, kind of walk around, an optional wire strike kit featured on the aircraft as well, pop-out floats for overwater flying, and many other mission configurations, because it is all about the missions, that we'll be announcing in the coming months. The aircraft will have best-in-class cabin size with over 275 cubic feet of cabin volume. We expect the aircraft to have more than 2,800 pounds of internal payload, endurance in excess of 3.5 hours, and more than 350 nautical miles of range. This aircraft will be the most capable, affordable, and easiest to maintain workhorse in its class, and perhaps even the next class beyond. Tonight, we're not just unveiling a new airframe, we're introducing a new design philosophy for Robinson helicopter interiors. You'll find comfortable, functional seating, easy to maintain materials, clean lines, and a versatile layout. Every aspect has been carefully considered to enhance pilot and passenger experience. This isn't just about looks, it's about creating an environment that supports safe and efficient operations and builds on the core values that define Robinson Helicopter Company. This aircraft will be the most capable in its class while retaining all the hallmarks of our brand. Ease of operation, predictability and affordability of maintenance, and the ability to get the job done at the lowest cost per hour. We've taken everything that makes Robinson Helicopter a workhorse and incorporated it into the new design, ensuring it's not just attractive to look at, looks beautiful, right? But also a powerful and cost-effective tool for any mission. Our goal is to give you superior performance for an affordable price. The R88 will be priced at $3.3 million for the highly equipped standard configuration, far more affordable than the other aircraft in the competition. With options like IFR, mission configurations like we mentioned before, we expect the R88 to disrupt the economics of the single-engine helicopter market, and maybe the twin, just as Robinson helicopters have done before. We will start taking deposits at Verticon on Tuesday in our booth. Meet the dealers. They're all throughout the event, so meet some of our dealers. Deposits will be fully refundable up to FAA certification, at which point we'll firm up delivery schedules and final configurations with the customers. Now, tonight is just the beginning of the next 50 years of Robinson Helicopter Company. We have one more announcement tonight and a few more ahead. Tonight we're sharing that before you guys have a chance to mingle and see the aircraft up close, we're sharing the launch of our new website. If you go to robinsonheli.com right now, it's live. The new website is significant. It's a significant step for us in how we connect with our customers all around the world. It's an extension of our brand, designed to be a valuable resource for our dealers, operators, and for anyone looking to become part of the Robinson world. We focused on making it easier than ever to access information about our products, services, training courses, and company news. The intuitive navigation and mobile responsive design ensure quick and easy access, whether you're at your desk or you're in the field. This website's built to help you connect with us, give you what you need, and grow with Robinson. Beyond the website's look, there's practical improvements. Enhanced search capabilities will quickly connect you with relevant content, and streamlined navigation will make browsing effortless. Dedicated landing pages cater to specific user groups, ensuring you find the information you need quickly. We've also included more mission-based videos to showcase the versatility of the aircraft in real-world applications. We believe the website will be an essential tool for our customers, dealers, and operators to deliver a new range of services in the future. Encourage you all to visit the website and connect with Robinson. Now, tonight is not just a launch, it is a leap. I want to invite you to join us for food and cocktails, to visit our partner pavilion where Garmin, Safran helicopter engines, and Ascent Aerosystems are on display to learn more about their technologies. We also invite you to take lots of photographs. Love the photographs. Post them, share them. There is no embargo on the information. Additionally, we'll have some folks up here to help people come take a closer look at the aircraft. Please give them time. They got to set up. The incredible aircraft will also be available on the show floor all week. So if you don't get a chance to see it up close tonight, come see us at the booth. There'll be plenty of time at the show. This is just the beginning of our 2025 Verticon adventure. On Tuesday morning at 10:30, we've got a press conference where we'll share additional news about products. Our friends at Ascent will also share a new product announcement at Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. Please join us for both these big press conferences. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Enjoy your evening, have fun, come see the aircraft. Thank you.